makeup that I do when I'm going to nowhere special or like somewhere nearby home, or I'm just feeling too lazy to do full makeup. This is what I usually do. So let's get right into it.
First, I have my face makeup done and I did my eyebrows. So let's get right into shading our face. We are going to get a light brown to contour our face. And we are going to do it all over our cheek. We are going to emphasize it around that area, and we're going to put it all around. Then we're going to get a darker shade, or it doesn't really matter, but another contour. We're going to do it darker on our jawline, and then make a circular motion to spread them out. And we're going to start them on our forehead as well to make our face smaller. Then we're going to contour our nose. Flatten it on the tip and make it higher. And we're going to make a bridge in the middle. Then we're going to get a lighter concealer and put it on the tip of our nose and then on the bridge of our nose. Then we're going to get highlighter. We're going to go very natural and put on the tip, the bridge, the forehead, very natural. And the cheekbone, brow bone, chin, and the cupid's bow. Next, we're gonna get our blush, and we're gonna go very natural with blush as well to look like we are alive. I did a bad job on blending my eyebrow, so I just blend them. And we're gonna get a lighter shade that is kind of brownish orange, vanilla-ish, and we're gonna spread them all over our eyelid. I remember my friend asking if I put white eyeshadow on my eyes when I have no makeup on. So we are going to make some shadows all over our eyelid. And with the same color, we're going to put it on the under eyes. Then we're going to get a darker brown shade. And that is kind of going to do the job of an eyeliner, but instead we're going to do it with like darker brown eyeshadow. Spread them and blend them. Like that. When you open your eyes, you can't see, but when you close it, you can see. It's literally like a job that my eyeliner does. Then to do a better job on spreading them out, I blend them with my hands. Then I get a highlighter, like a pink one, and put in the inner corner and on the under eye. Then we're gonna curl our lashes. As usual, I pinch the root and then keep going up, up, and it hurts. Then at last, pinch the root, hardly one time. Then I get my favorite mascara and put it on the roots so it will harden. I will put another mascara that is more on the voluminous side and that does not clump up with each other. And with the same mascara, I'm gonna go on my lower lashes as well. And if you know, for my Asian lashes, they are not long and it always gets on my eyelid. Next, I grab a more natural color, like a nude tone for my lips, but I only have this kind of darker nude, so I kind of put it a little bit and blend them. I don't use a brush or a pencil liner to like define it. I just put a lipstick that has the same shade and define my lips. Then you gotta check yourself out. I'm so sorry, I literally totally blocked my face.
This is my final look, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or any questions, you can comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!